Hello, and welcome to Plugged In at Electric Works, powered by Carr Workplaces. I'm your host, Leslie Hill, and today Aaron Springer of Occulair is here to join us. Welcome, Aaron.
Thanks.
Tell us a little bit about yourself and Occulair as an organization.
Yeah, so at Occulair, we do site capture services for construction companies, which is kind of a combination of drones and lidar and photos and video to capture the progress of construction projects as they're going on. And so you can use that data for just historical purposes, for kind of ongoing inspection, kind of et cetera, et cetera. So we fly over with drones, take a bunch of pictures, it gets stitched back together in kind of like a Google Earth look. And then you can step into those pictures and models to snap measurements and things like that.
So tell me what differentiates Occulair from other businesses like yours.
Typically, especially when it comes to drones and construction and just the emergence of drones, like over the last, I'm going to look at the last 10 years or so is when they've become prevalent. You can go out and get your Part 107, like your flying license, and that's not too high of a hurdle to get over. But it's really kind of the other technology that's behind it. And I feel like a lot of other folks in the space can get really focused on, I'm going to say something like lidar and how lidar works and really nerd out about it. But at the end of the day, the customers and the clients really just need to know how this thing is going to solve their problem. And so where I focus at is less on saying, here's the technology and it's really cool and neat, and going more, here's how we can solve an issue for you. What are you trying to accomplish? And I can help you, find the best tool to accomplish that.
Now, how are you connected with Carr Workplaces at Electric Works?
Like you said, I do site construction project management. So Electric Works Project was one of the campuses that I got to do for captures. And so let's see, going back 3 years now, I started going through all of these halls when there was nothing here and dirt floors and such. So it was really kind of a cool thing for me to see. And then through that, I just thought it was a cool space. And then I found out about the cafe plan. So I don't actually have an office proper. I'm just able to kind of hop in here, drop my stuff off, and host clients. So it's really kind of cool to be able to have a place to, I just had a small board meeting today, right? And so it just gives me a little bit of a more professional space to use. It's really, for me, I'm projects different ends of the city, so it's kind of a nice central location for me to get to stop in, do 2 hours of something and leave. So,
and if we take it literally, the cafe, that's where people hang out.
Mm-hmm.
So it's a great spot to have hours in your day here.
Yeah.
Because everyone goes to the cafe.
Right.
Yeah.
And it is kind of funny, just bumping into people, kind of those accidental conversations can lead to much bigger things of, oh, my friend knows so-and-so at such and such. And, just being in that proximity helps, even if you don't have an office.
Well, thank you for joining us. And thank you for joining us. And we will see you next time at Plugged In at Electric Works, powered by Carr Workplaces.